Guys, I think we have a new video. And this is the part where Boneless grabs his bat. And Woobly is on his iPad playing, what's it called again? Angry Birds. So then Boneless does this. Kabam! Okay, does it work? It does work. Oh no. I can't find it back. No. Oh. Wait, hang on. Let's pull one of these. Then looks about right. What did I tell you about playing games, Woobly? That I can't play iPad no more? Oh, I'm gonna get my very trusty aeroplane. I hope it's trusty. And I'm gonna spend, $30,000 on it. I really like this invention. Well, look where we are. Okay. Oh, it didn't work. I dropped it. Am I gonna get it back? No. Well, no more iPad for you.